A very good morning to all of you children. Welcome to today's English online class. Today I am here to teach you a new lesson. Alright children, today we have two topics. The first one is the grammar topic. The second one is the literature topic. Alright children. So children, before we start with this grammar topic, I am going to ask you one question. Can you tell me children, what is this? Yes, this is a train. And can you see children, a train is connected with each other, isn't it? And can you see here children? Can you see here children? Train has many parts, isn't it? It is joined with one to another. First is the engine, next is the compartment, another compartment, other compartment. So when all the compartments are joined, a train is made, isn't it? When all the compartments are joined, a train is made, right? So can you see here children? There are many compartments joined together to form a big train, isn't it? Yes. The same way children, today we have the topic where the sentences are joined with the word. A group of words or sentences are joined with the word. So what is the topic? Now tell me children. Yes, it is conjunctions. What is the topic? Conjunctions. What are conjunctions children? Conjunctions are words that are used to join group of words or sentences. Alright children, say the definition with me. Conjunctions are words that are used to join a group of words or sentences. Alright children, first we will see few conjunctions. So what are those children? And, but, or, because, so, although. These are all conjunctions. There are many more conjunctions, but in our class we are going to study these conjunctions only. Alright children. So now children, we will see the first conjunction, which is and. Okay. Usage of and. And is used to join words or sentences with similar ideas. And is used to join words or sentences with similar ideas. Alright children, shall we see few examples? Yes. I have a big and a small book with me. Alright children, so which conjunction did I use here? Yes, and. I have a big and a small book with me. Okay, shall we see the next conjunction? Next we will see usage of but. But is used to join words or sentences which have different ideas, which have opposite ideas. Okay, but is used to join group of words or sentences which have different ideas or opposite ideas. Alright, shall we see few examples of this? Yes. I have the English book, but I do not have the maths book. Now what is conjunction here children? Yes, but. Okay, I have the English book, but I do not have the maths book. Okay. Now we will see the usage of because or so. Because or so. Because or so is used to show us the reason. Because or so is used to show us the reason. Alright, whenever we have any reason for a sentence, in that case we will use because or so. Shall we see few examples again children? Yes, she did not go to school because she is sick. She did not go to school because she is sick. Now can you see a girl here, children? She is lying on the bed. She is not well. Alright. So a reason is there in this sentence. So we will use the word, we will use the conjunction because. Because shows us the reason of things not happening. Okay. So what is the conjunction here? Because. She did not go to school because she is not well. Alright children? Yes. In the same sentence, how can we use so, children? We will see now. She is not well, so she did not go to school. We just reversed the sentence. She is not well today, so she did not go to school. Okay? We just reversed when we used so. And when we used because, we gave the reason later. When we use so, we will give the reason before. Right? So children, in these two sentences, you would have noticed. When we use because, the reason will come after because. Okay? And when we use so, the reason will come before so. Alright children? Understood the usage of because and so? Alright. Now children, we will see the usage of or. Or is used to show a choice. Alright? Or is used to show a choice. Let's see one example of or. So now here the kids have come to read the books in the library. Can you see a library here? Yes, we are in the library and these two children have come to read the books. So I am going to use or and say a sentence. Alright? So here, do you want a book of stories or a book of pictures? Do you want a book of stories or a book of pictures?
I want a book of stories.
Okay.
I want a book of pictures.
So children, have you seen here? How did I use or in a sentence? Do you want a book of stories or do you want a book of pictures? So what is our conjunction here? Or. Alright? Although shows that one fact makes the other fact surprising. It shows that one fact makes the other fact surprising. How is it children? Although it was raining. Can you see children, it's raining here? Yes. Although it was raining, I went
to school on time.
Alright? Although it was raining is one fact. I went to school on time is the other fact. And it looks surprising, isn't it? Because it was raining, still I went on time. Isn't it surprising? Yes. So, it shows one fact which makes the other fact look surprising. Alright? So, what is our conjunction here? Although. So, although it was raining, I went
to school on time.
Alright children? So, these are the usage of different conjunctions. Alright children? Now, we will see
the coordinating conjunctions, which are named as fanboys. F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. F-A-N-B-O-Y-S, fanboys. These conjunctions are always placed between the two clauses or two words that they are joining. Alright children, see the first one, for. Because. In place of because, we can write for in the sentence. I told her to leave for I was very tired. And in addition to, I like football and I like hockey. Nor and not. I have neither done the dishes nor the laundry. But means however. She is 8'5" but still goes swimming every day. Or means either. I will eat either a hamburger or a hot dog. Next, yet means but. The weather was cold yet bright and sunny. Next, so means therefore. It was still painful, so I went to see a doctor. Alright children?
Alright children? Now we will see the book exercises.
Tick the correct conjunctions to complete the sentences. First one, we had idli or and sambar for breakfast. We had idli and sambar for breakfast. Second, I like idli but and my brother likes dosa. I like idli but my brother likes dosa. Third, we went to the shop or but it was closed. We went to the shop but it was closed. 4. Do you want to buy a pencil and no? Do you want to buy a pencil and a sharpener? 5. I have a pencil or but I don't have a sharpener. I have a pencil but I don't have a sharpener. Next, will you go to the market today and or tomorrow? Will you go to the market today or tomorrow? Next exercise.
Of page number 69. First one, A. Join these pairs of sentences using conjunctions. First one, I ate an apple, I ate a sandwich. I ate an apple, I ate a sandwich. We have to join these two sentences by using a conjunction. So which conjunction is suitable for this sentence, children? Yes, and. I ate an apple and a sandwich. We need not repeat I ate second time. In that place we will write and. Okay. Next. She uses a wheelchair. She plays lots of games. She uses a wheelchair and plays lots of games. Okay. Third one. It was very hot. We did not go for the picnic. It was very hot. So, we did not go for the picnic. Okay. Fourth, we swam in the pool. It was a hot day. We swam in the pool because it was a hot day. Okay. Next, the medicine was bitter. She had it. The medicine was bitter. She had it. Yes. Though the medicine was bitter, she had it. Okay. We should place though in the beginning. Though medicine was bitter, she had it. Next, it was very cold outside. We carried our overcoats with us. It was very cold outside, so we carried our overcoats with us. See children, so when is it used? The reason comes before, right? Yes. And for because, the reason comes after because. Okay. Next, 7. We bought tomatoes. We did not buy cucumbers. We bought tomatoes, but we did not buy cucumbers. Okay. Both are of the same kind. So we will use but. Next. I went to bed. I was sleepy. I went to bed because I was sleepy. Okay. Next exercise, children. B. Fill in the blanks with the conjunctions given in the box. You can repeat the conjunctions. So we have few conjunctions in the box above. First one is I like sweets dash chocolates. I like sweets and chocolates. Okay. Second, I can eat a sandwich dash salad for lunch. I can eat a sandwich or salad for lunch. Okay. Next, we did not like the hotel dash it was very dirty. We did not like the hotel because it was very dirty. Okay. Next, they were very tired dash they did not go to the party. They were very tired, so they did not go to the party. Okay. Next, I am wearing a raincoat dash it is raining. I am wearing a raincoat because it is raining. Next, would you like a board game dash a basketball for your birthday? Would you like a board game or a basketball for your birthday? Okay. Next exercise, children. Match. Grandfather makes a new dish every day. What will be the answer, children? Because he loves cooking. Okay. Next. It was late. It was late.
So grandmother told me to go to bed. Okay. So grandmother told me to go to bed. Next. I like biscuits, sweets. I like biscuits, sweets and cakes. Okay. Next. I like bananas. I like bananas but not guavas. Okay. Next. When I grow up, I want to be a teacher or a farmer. Okay. Or a farmer. Next. I was late for school because I missed the bus. I was late for school because I missed the bus. Alright, next exercise children. Turn the page. Join the pairs of sentences using and or but. You have to use and or but while joining the sentences. Okay. First one. My grandmother gave me a dress. It was small for me. My grandmother gave me a dress, but it was small for me. Okay. Next. My brother is short. I am tall. My brother is short, but I am tall. Okay. There are opposite actions. Short, tall. So we will use but. Next. I have a book in my bag. I have a crayon box in my bag. I have a book. Same things are there in the bag. So we will write and. I have a book and a crayon box in my bag. Okay. Next. She is slow. She is hardworking. She is slow but hardworking. Opposite things. Slow but hardworking. Okay. Next. My father has a car. My father does not have an aeroplane. My father has a car but does not have an aeroplane. Next. She fell down. She did not get hurt. Yes, she fell down but did not get hurt. Okay. Next. He ran very fast. He did not win the race. Yes, he ran very fast but did not win the race. Okay. Next. The sums are very difficult. I will try to solve them. The sums are very difficult but I will try to solve them. Okay. Opposite things we should use but. I went home. I had lunch. I went home and I had lunch. And I had lunch. Okay. Next. He sings beautifully. He dances beautifully. He sings beautifully. He dances beautifully. So what can we write for this children? Two actions. Same ideas. He sings and dances beautifully. Okay. He sings and dances beautifully. Alright children. Next exercise. Read these sentences and underline the conjunctions. Use incorrectly. Then write the correct conjunction in the blanks. Okay. You have to underline the conjunctions and write the correct conjunction in the space provided. Okay. You have to underline the wrong conjunction and write the correct conjunction in the space provided. Okay. First one. I like reading or writing. I like reading or writing. Wrong. Or we have to underline and the correct answer is I like reading and writing. Okay. And should come. Next. I went to bed so I was sleepy. I went to bed so is wrong because I was sleepy. Okay. Reason is afterwards. So we should use because. Okay. Next. My sister can swim or I cannot. My sister can swim or will be wrong children. Underline it. But I cannot is correct answer. But will be the answer. Okay. Next. Next. I can speak Hindi because English. Two things of the similar type. So we will use and. And is the correct conjunction for that sentence. So we should underline because and write and. Okay. Next. I can drive a car because cannot repair it. I can drive a car because is wrong there.
but cannot repair it. Correct answer is but. Next, I worked hard because I passed the exam. I worked hard so, because is wrong. Underline because and write so I passed the exam. Next one, my parents were very happy so I had stood first in class. My parents were very happy. So will be underlined because it is wrong. We should write because is the correct answer. Okay. My parents were happy because I stood first in the class. Okay. Next one. My father opened the door or waited for the newspaper man. My father opened the door or waited is wrong, children, and waited for the newspaper man. Okay. Turn the page. I ate a banana so I was hungry. I ate a banana so will be wrong, children. Underline so and write because I was hungry. Underline so and write because in the blank. Next, she wants a box of paints but a box of brushes to make a painting. She wants a box of paints but will not be the correct conjunction, children. Underline but and write and. She wants a box of paints and a box of brushes to make a painting. Alright, children. So children, here we end up with today's book exercises. Now we will see
Notes of lesson. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are words that are used to join two words, group of words or sentences. Conjunctions are words that are used to join two words, group of words or sentences. Write few conjunctions: and, but, or, because, so, etc. are conjunctions. And, but, or, because, so, etc. are conjunctions. Let's see the hard words now, children. Conjunctions. C-O-N-J-U-N-C-T-I-O-N-S. Conjunctions. C-O-N-J-U-N-C-T-I-O-N-S. Conjunctions. Sentences. S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E-S. Sentences. S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E-S. Sentences.
Time to get serious. Time to get serious!
Let's play. Choose the conjunction you think completes each sentence.
Complete the mission.
It is raining today. We will stay inside. Which one of the fanboys do you think is the answer? Decide now. Time is up and the answer is so. It is raining today, so we will stay inside. Would you rather eat the yogurt, the ice cream? Which one of the fanboys completes the sentence? Time's up and the answer is or. Would you rather eat the yogurt or the ice cream? I reclined the sofa chair, turned on the TV set, started to browse the channels. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Which one is the answer? Time's going. Time is up. And the answer is and. The answer is and. The weather is lovely. We decided to go to the beach. Time is up and the answer is so. The weather is lovely, so we decided to go to the beach. We don't have much money. We will still try to have fun. Which one of the fanboys completes the sentence? Choose your answers now. Time is going. Time is up, and the answer is but. We don't have much money, but we will still try to have fun. Great job, guys!
So now we will see the literature topic. So before we begin with the topic, tell me children, what is this? Yes, this is a duck. And what is this? Yes, this is a kangaroo. So what is the name of the poem? Yes, the duck and the kangaroo. Alright, the duck and the kangaroo. Alright, so this is a poem, the duck and the kangaroo. This poem, the duck and the kangaroo, written by Edward Lear, elaborates that the duck wants to go beyond the pond and explore the world with the kangaroo. Okay children? Okay. The duck wants to go beyond the pond and travel the whole world like the kangaroo. Can you see here children how the kangaroo is traveling? Yes, it keeps on hopping the whole day. The same way the duck also says that it feels so bored in that pond. It feels so bored in that nasty pond, in that stinky pond. Alright? And it wants to travel, it wants to hop the way the kangaroo does. It wants to hop and travel the whole world the way the kangaroo hops. So the duck asks the kangaroo for a ride. As the duck cannot hop on its own, so it asks the kangaroo to give him a ride on its back. So the kangaroo accepts to give a ride to the duck. And it says you have to sit at the back of the tail and you have to sit steady so that I can maintain the balance. Alright children? Then the duck says, I will sit silently and only do quack quack. I will sit silently on your back and will only do quack quack. I will not trouble you. So the kangaroo accepts it and they both are set to travel the world. And it is the night time when the moonlight is pale. They start traveling the whole world. They cross the seas, they cross the river Dee which flows through England. They cross the river Dee which flows through river England. They cross the Jelly Boli which is an imaginary land or water feature. Okay, so these things they cross over the fields, they cross over the rivers and they travel the whole world. And finally the duck is very happy to have the company of the kangaroo. They both travel the world 3 times and they enjoy each other's company. Alright children, this is what the poem is about the duck and the kangaroo. Now I will read each stanza and I'll explain to you. Okay children? Yes. The first stanza says,
Said the duck to the kangaroo, Good gracious, how you hop over the fields and the water too, as if you never would stop. My life is a bore in this nasty pond, and I long to go out in the world beyond. I wish I could hop like you, said the duck to the kangaroo.
so
The duck is amazed
to see the movement of the kangaroo. Can you see children how the kangaroo moves? It hops, right? Can you see a kangaroo here? How is it moving? It is hopping. So the duck is amazed to see the movement of the kangaroo. And it also expresses that the kangaroo could hop continuously over the field, over the water bodies without break. Alright? But this duck is sad about itself because it has to stay in the limits. It has to stay in the limits. What is the limit of the duck? Yes, the pond. Can you see a pond here? The duck stays in the pond. Can you see a pond here children? Yes, the duck stays in the pond. It is its limit. It cannot come out and hop like the kangaroo. So it says it is so boring to stay in this nasty pond. So he goes to the kangaroo and asks whether he can travel the world by hopping.
Please give me a ride on your back, said the duck to the kangaroo. I would sit quite still and say nothing but quack the whole of the long day through, and we would go to the Dee and the Jelly Boli, over the land and over the sea. Please take me a ride, oh do, said the duck to the kangaroo.
And also he says that I will not trouble you. I will just sit steady at your back and only say quack quack. I will only say quack quack. And the duck lists the places which it wants to visit. The places are the river Dee. Can you see this river, children? This river flows through England. It is a river named Dee. It flows through England. And Jelly Boli. Another place is Jelly Boli. It is an imaginary land or imaginary water feature. Okay, imaginary land or imaginary water feature. So the duck lists out the things where he wants to visit. It's the Dee and Jelly Boli. Alright. Now we will see the third stanza.
Said the kangaroo, I am ready. All in the moonlight pale. But to balance me well, dear duck, sit steady, and quite at the end of my tail. So away they went with a hop and a bound, and they hopped the whole world 3 times round. And who so happy? Oh who? As the duck and the kangaroo. By Edward Lear.
So children, the kangaroo accepted and got ready for the ride. Now they both are all set for the ride. At night, when the sky was filled with the pale light of the moon. Can you see here, children? Yes, this is called the pale light of the moon. Alright, so they both started for the journey. They both started to travel the world. Okay, they both started with a hop. So now the kangaroo told the duck to hold it firmly, to hold it tightly and sit right at the back of its tail. Can you see, children, how the duck is sitting on the kangaroo? Yes, right at the back of its tail. So, and he tells the duck to hold it firmly so that he has proper balance on its legs. Okay, so that the kangaroo does not leave its balance and can hop and travel the whole world. So the kangaroo asked the duck to hold it firmly, and then they traveled the whole world 3 times. How many times they traveled? 3 times. They traveled the whole world 3 times, and they loved each other's company and they were very happy. Finally, they were back and they enjoyed each other's company. Okay, children? So this is what this poem, The Duck and the Kangaroo. So tell me, children, what is the moral of this poem? Yes, moral is friendship is so precious. Isn't it? Yes. You should maintain proper friendship whenever you make friends. You should not break the friendship. You should help your friend whenever your friend needs help. Indeed, he will help you or she will help you when you are in trouble. Alright, children, the way the kangaroo helped the duck to travel the world as it could not travel because it cannot hop. Alright? Alright, children? Good gracious. An exclamation of surprise. Good gracious means an exclamation of surprise. See the spelling of gracious, children? G-R-A-C-I-O-U-S. Gracious. G-R-A-C-I-O-U-S. Gracious. What is the meaning? An exclamation of surprise. Okay? Amazed. Alright? Next. A bore. Bore means boring. B-O-R-E. Bore. Bore means boring. The duck was bored in the pond. Alright? Next. Nasty. Nasty means here. Horrible. Nasty means horrible. Alright? It means horrible. See the spelling of nasty, children? N-A-S-T-Y. Nasty. N-A-S-T-Y. Nasty. Next. D. D. It is a river. It's a name of a river. It is a river which flows through England. Alright? D is the name of a river which flows through England. Alright? Next. Jelly Boli. An imaginary land or water feature. Jelly Boli. It's an imaginary land or water feature. Alright? Now we will see the MCQ of literature from our notes of lesson. Please take, children.
The duck and the kangaroo. MCQ. The duck requested the kangaroo to take for a dash. The duck requested the kangaroo to take for a dash. Ride, round, walk. Answer is ride. R-I-D-E. Ride. R-I-D-E. Ride. R-I-D-E. Ride. Second, the duck praises the kangaroo about the way he dash. The duck praises the kangaroo about the way he dash, jumps, hops, runs. Answer is hops. H-O-P-S. Hops. H-O-P-S. Hops.